Yeah, the word cancer is definitely scary, and hearing it for the first time for anyone and their family members can be frightening.
Oh, my first diagnosis, it was devastating.
I got diagnosed with multiple myeloma.
Because everything collapsed at once.
When I got diagnosed, I felt like it was an earthquake.
It's hard because I know that the cancer that I have is a very difficult one to treat.
Inside of you is a person who has feelings and emotions, and sometimes you need to work through those things.
The minute that I walked through the door at the care center, I felt like I was more than just a piece of cancer walking through the door.
What's really true of the care center is that we work hand in hand with all the other team members of the Penn State Cancer Institute. We're not just treating a disease, we're taking care of a human being.
I think that resources like the care center are vital to improving patients' outcomes. It's really the other half of cancer care. There's the medical half, which is the surgery, the chemotherapy, the radiation. And then there's the other half of wellness, and you need both halves to have the best possible outcome.
I originally started my treatment at a different cancer center, and while it was a wonderful experience as far as my treatment, there was nothing outside of my treatment. And so when we came here, we were just amazed at what the care center had to offer.
The care center came about from paying attention to the people that we see and take care of each and every day.
The response from our patients has been overwhelmingly positive. A lot of them have expressed a sense of relief when they have their first encounter with the care center, that they feel like this part of their care perhaps was weighing deeply on their minds, but they thought maybe it wouldn't be addressed. And now with it being addressed, they do find some relief with that.
You can think of it as running a marathon. You would never sign up for a marathon without training, and yet a lot of our patients are essentially signing up for the marathon of their cancer treatment with really no training and no preparation. So the care center is a vital element to help prepare patients for their treatment.
It made us feel important. It made us feel like we mattered to people. It's just a wonderful experience to feel so much a part of something. And we feel very much a part of the care center.
I think there's a certain element of I'll say, helplessness with cancer care. They're sort of at the mercy of the system. And I think for a lot of people that is both frustrating and somewhat terrifying, that there are things that they just can't control. So when we give them an outlet for that, when they can participate in their care and in preparation for their care, that has actually been very popular.
Cancer has the ability to turn people's lives upside down, and in the process, we really see how incredibly strong and resilient people are in the face of such challenge.
To me, the care center is a lifeline. It's given me a lot of hope. It's given me a lot of support. It has taken my mind off things when I've been at my lowest. There's a lot of people on the other side of those doors that care very deeply for people going through what I'm going through and everyone else is going through.